Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and today we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the new Pioneer VREC-H320SC drive recorder. Let's check it out. Firstly, we have the Pioneer VREC-H320SC drive recorder. We have a windscreen cleaning film. This is used to remove any small particles off the glass prior to installation. We have a cigarette lighter power adapter. This plugs directly into any available cigarette lighter socket in the vehicle to provide power to the unit. If wiring the unit with the optional Pioneer RDHWK300 hardwire kit, this item will not be used. USB-A to USB-C power cable. This runs from the cigarette lighter to plug into the unit itself. Again, if wiring with the optional Pioneer hardwire kit, this item will not be used. Windscreen mounting bracket with adhesive pad already attached. You have a 64 gig micro SD card. And last but not least, the Pioneer VREC-H320SC Quick Start Guide to assist you in setting up your drive recorder. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the Pioneer VREC-H320SC Compact Drive Recorder. For more information, visit your nearest authorised Pioneer retailer or our website today.